guys, we are right now into module 1b. Another very important codec that we have to get is actually an avid codec. It's called avid codec LE or avid DNxHD. Now it's very easy to get actually. You have to just search the net for avid codecs LE, or you can get it DNxHD 2.6. so once you Google it, you'll get a URL like this, and you can download the codec from here, codec LE 26.0 WinZip. If you Vegas will not run on Mac, so there's no point in getting the Mac codec. So once you have got the codec, you come here. You go to the codec folder, then you extract everything. Then you have to install the codec just like that you did with the other codec. Avid codecs LE, select English, United States, okay. Extracting avid codecs LE.msi. These codecs go with a lot of video editing softwares, and not only with Vegas Pro. These codecs are free codecs actually. Times it takes a little bit of time on and off, so it might be taking a little bit of time because I might have a Vegas window open, or yeah, it's done. Yeah, it's as simple as that. So after you have got the avid codecs LE, this is also known as avid DNxHD codec 2.26. so you either search for DNxHD 2.6 or avid codecs LE. After you have installed the avid codecs, the next codec you are going to head for is DNx. DNx codec you can actually get from DNx.com. All you have to do, once you have gone here, you can click the download now button and you will end up getting the software. So once you install this, then you will be able to get the codecs from DNx installed in your system. So the procedure is more or less the same. Just you have to go to the download page of DNx.com, and the download option opens up and you will get that file, and then you need to install it. As you can see, the installer is downloading here right now. So once you open that, it will go ahead and download the software from its secured source and then download it. So it will give you an option of putting DNx converter, DNx player, DNx web player. Depends. See, the codec is actually coming here with the software. So you just get everything because all are free right now. So as this installs, let's go ahead and get the next important codec, and that's H2.64. Now H2.64 codec, you can get it from two sources. One you can get from Videolan, and the other one you can actually get from DNx. So let's check out both. All you have to do is write in Google H.264 DNx codec, and you can come here, come to this page, and you can get the H.264 codec. This is actually very important for creating high quality MP4 files. Now meanwhile the DivX overall software is installing.